this video, you will learn what the T1 Tax Planner is and how to use the form to help your customers plan for the future. Using the Tax Planner for T1. Use the Tax Planner to prepare a projection of the taxpayer's position for the next taxation year. And just note that ProFile keeps Tax Planner as current as possible with the information sourced from recent budget announcements. Depending on what rates were available at that time of the last software release, the Tax Planner may not include all federal and provincial changes for the year. When you're creating a new Tax Planner form, you want to start out by opening a completed T1 client file. Next step you're going to take in creating a new Tax Planner form is to open a form called Plan, and that's from the client category of the Form Explorer. This is where you'll be able to find that Tax Planner form and start with your tax planning. The next option that you're going to take, or next step that you're going to take in creating a new Tax Planner form, is right-click in any field and select the Copy T1 Return option. The next step in creating a new Tax Planner form is after you've done that right-click option. The Tax Planner form populates with the transferred T1 return data. And you as a preparer can manually change any amounts to reflect a client's new projections for the year. The plan form is a multiple form. It means that you can create as many different scenarios for a single T1 file as possible. It's unlimited, so you can use this form and create numerous scenarios for your client. So these are the steps in creating multiple tax planner forms. First step you want to take is right-click on an existing plan select the New Form option from the menu. ProFile creates new T1 plans for the client and spouse, all in the same numbered set. Next step you're going to take is to enter description for a specific scenario in the description field at the top of the form. Now this description displays in the Form Explorer and allows the preparer to distinguish between the different scenarios that you've created. Next thing we're going to talk about is updating a tax planner form. Just know that ProFile does not update a tax planner form when amounts in the current year T1 return is changed. Now when you do want to update the tax planner form, these are the steps that you want to take. First, if changes were made in the T1 return and a plan form requires updating, then what you need to do is select the Copy T1 Return again from the right-click menu. The tax planner form populates with the transferred T1 return data after you've done that.